Today I want to share with you my idea I came up with to make a cozy for the trail meals, to keep your hands, once you put that boiling hot water in there, to keep your hands from burning. I use these bags, which I'm sure you've seen them before, to make the cozy. And they come in all different sizes. These packages, as you see, come in different heights. So you want to adjust your bag to different heights. So this is one of those bags. You'll see I cut them so that the bag will adjust, so the bag will be right above the top. Like so. Here, get this one in here. We'll use this one for the model. So what you want to do first is you want to obliterate the information that's on, which is usually your address, and you don't want to share that in case you decide to get rid of the bag after your hike, or somewhere in a trash receptacle on your trail. The nice thing about this is you're getting this plastic out of the landfill. Although here in Florida we recycle these bags. Anyway, so what I do, I'll get the bag and figure out how high I want it. So this, I always want to leave about an inch or so hanging above the top of the cozy. So I'll give it a little mark there, get an idea of where I want to go. And it's easy enough. After that, you just put your hand down there and fold it over on itself. Give you an idea how far you want to go. And straighten it out. Now these things are like bubble wrap, these bags. So when you fold it over, you have a double bubble wrap plus the air space in between here. It's pretty effective, cheap, cozy. And you take your bag, put it in there, and you rip it off and you get some space. So there's your cozy, free cozy. I call it my prime cozy. What thing you can do is when you're backpacking your backpack, rather than putting all of these into one bag, makes it bulky and hard to, if you're not using a bear canister. You can shove these between the things you're packing in a tent. You shove your tent in the bottom, you shove this in there, behind it in front, and you can be filling up your pack, and you can put several of these in there, and they take up, it gives you a better packing situation. So anyway, that's my idea for a free cozy made with these prime bags. I decided to actually demonstrate the cozy. Is boiling water, and the temperature of the boiling water is at 201 degree. So that's good enough. That's showing that this thing works. So we're going to come over here. We're going to do one of these vegetable medleys. Excellent with ramen. I like them. So let's open it up. They never open right. You got to pick the temperature on the outside of this bag. It's 79.7. So we're going to take it. Remember to take that out. In the cozy. And add the boiling water. Actually, you can add the boiling water before you put it in the cozy. And you close her up. That's got a reading on the outside of this bag. 167 degrees is what it's telling me. Put it in the cozy. So let's sit in there for a while and see what the temperature is. Saying it's 112. Let's give it a chance to catch, or for the temperature to come up. But it's nice and cozy. 122, which is very comfortable. I'll take a shot at the bag on the inside. It's 163 inside. And 21 on the outside. So the cozy works. And you won't burn your hand. So this is a free time bag cozy. And it works. 123, but I'm holding it. Take it out of the cozy and take a reading on it again. 162. So the cozy works. You can't beat the price. I want to see what one layer does. Let's get a reading down here, one layer. $146. I'm leaning it this way so it presses right up against the bag. It's 133. Prime Video Cozy. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed this. Please comment, thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever. Take care. Happy hiking, by the way. It's that time of year.